Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will talk about Amazon DSP, how much money you need to invest in DSP to be able to use it properly. Is there any additional guardrail and a little bit additional information around how Amazon DSP is going to merge with sponsored ads and what are some of the signals that we can see that's coming up probably mid next year. So Amazon DSP, as you know, was under a veil of secrecy almost because you needed to have around I think $35,000 of ad spend in order to use it, but that's not the case anymore because you can use Amazon DSP through various agencies who have a seat available through Amazon DSP. Now, personally, I've ran Amazon DSP campaigns for as little ad spend as 2,000 euros per month, $3,000, $5,000 per month. Brands who use it can use it for awareness, but DSP is not for awareness only, as I will show you in a minute. But also, I've seen pretty good return on ad spend while advertising, like focused on return on ad spend. We've seen 8, we've seen 11, not only on remarketing, but in general. What is Amazon DSP and how it's changing? You can see here that recently they've added keyword targeting to Amazon DSP. In the past, it was only audiences, but now you have keyword targeting. So when you click, you can search for keywords, you can enter your own keywords, and it's changing. So it's kind of starting to look like a mix of what we can see in Google Display Network for a decade now, and a mix of what's available in sponsor ads. Of course, there are audiences. There's this additional contextual targeting where you can also target similar as sponsored display ads. On sponsor ads platform, you can add categories here. You can add products or related products and keyword. It used to be here, but now they moved it to be separate. What's good here compared to sponsored display ads on advertising console is that you can add you can add additional audiences and you can exclude some of the audience. So this is very important. You can exclude previous buyers. You can exclude whatever you like to exclude. Exclude all the people that already saw your ad, but or you can target only people who saw your competitor ads but haven't purchased. Everything is possible. So yeah, I hope this video is has helped you understand what DSP is, because I've seen, as I covered in my previous videos, I've seen through Amazon Marketing Cloud that whoever runs Amazon DSP ads on top of sponsor ads is increasing their purchase rate significantly, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, depending on the category. So it's something that will be a must in coming year. So consider it and let me know if you have any questions around it. Stay tuned for another video tomorrow. Bye bye.